Hello. In this video you will learn how to access student recorded read aloud feature in myON. Step 1. On the dashboard, click on the search bar to type the title, author, or keywords of the book you want to read, or you can browse categories and check recommended books. Once you find the book you want, click on its book cover to view more details. Next, locate the Open button, highlighted in green, and click it to start reading the book. Step 2. You'll see a blue Open button, as shown in the image. Click it to load the book in the player.
Planets by Martha E.H. Rustad.
You'll also see the navigation menu, which includes important features such as page navigation, audio controls, and settings. Step 3. Before starting, please ensure your microphone is properly set up and functioning. Check your device settings to confirm the microphone is enabled and permissions are granted for this application. Once everything is set, click the microphone icon to begin recording. A message will appear asking for permission to use your microphone. Approve the request to start recording. Step 4. Once you return to the player, configure the audio settings. If you want to hear the narrator before recording, make sure the volume is set to full. If you don't want to hear the narrator, simply lower the volume slider. Step 5. Click the microphone icon at the bottom of the screen to start recording your voice. Read aloud clearly and at a steady pace. The system will capture your voice as you read through the book. Note: start reading the book. As you read, you'll see a moving picture at the bottom of the window to show you that myON is hearing and recording your voice. Note: if you want to stop recording at any point, select Done.
Home sweet home. We live on Earth. It is a planet.
Step 6. After recording, you can listen to your recording to check if you're satisfied. If you want to re-record, choose Record Again option and repeat the process. Once you're happy with your recording, click Submit to save it. Step 7. You will be prompted, are you ready to submit your recording? If you want to record again, click Go Back to Book to try again. If you're satisfied with your recording, click Yes, Submit to finalize it. Step 8. After submitting, a receipt will appear on the screen confirming your submission. Your teacher will review your recording and provide feedback.